The HENSENMEN frying pan nonstick skillet is a great helper in the kitchen, and it makes cooking easier. This 9.5-inch pan is perfect for making omelets, bacon, and even dishes with cheese. The non-stick surface means your food won't stick, and cleanup is a breeze. Plus, it's PFOS and PFOA free, so you can cook with peace of mind. The bakelite handle stays cool, and the pan heats up quickly and evenly, which is important for good cooking. This HENSENMEN frying pan nonstick skillet is also quite versatile because it works on different kinds of stovetops, including induction. You can even put it in the dishwasher, which saves you time and effort. The size is just right for cooking for 1 or 2 people. Many users have given positive reviews, and they like how easy it is to cook and clean with this pan. It's a practical addition to any kitchen, and it doesn't cost a fortune. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use skillet, the HENSENMEN frying pan nonstick skillet, omelette skillet is a solid choice. It offers good quality at a reasonable price. While some very cheap pans might have complaints about their nonstick coating wearing off quickly, this HENSENMEN pan is designed to last. It's a helpful tool for anyone who enjoys making omelets or other simple meals, and the quantity of positive feedback suggests it's a worthwhile purchase from the vendor. Pros: nonstick, easy to clean, bakelite handle, cool handle, 9.5-inch size, omelette skillet, PFOS and PFOA free, safe cooking, dishwasher safe, induction ready, versatile use, good for eggs. Cons: nonstick coating may degrade, handle not oven safe, aluminum may warp at high heat, dishwasher safe may shorten lifespan, 9.5-inch size is small for some, bakelite handle may get hot, not suitable for all induction types, need to avoid sharp utensils, unknown long-term durability. Limited brand reviews. Available features: nonstick skillet, omelette skillet, bakelite handle, 9.5-inch size, PFOS and PFOA free, dishwasher safe, induction ready, aluminum made, heats quickly, ergonomic handle. This HENSENMEN 9.5-inch frying pan is great for making omelets and other foods. It has a non-stick surface, so food does not stick easily. The handle is made of bakelite, which makes it easy to hold. This pan is made of aluminum, so it heats up fast. It is safe to wash in the dishwasher and does not have PFOS or PFOA in it. You can use it on different kinds of stoves, even induction ones. The HENSENMEN 9.5-inch nonstick skillet is designed for easy cooking and cleaning, especially good for omelets and eggs. It has a bakelite handle that stays cool during stovetop use and is compatible with induction cooktops. The pan is made without PFOS and PFOA, making it a safer cooking option, and it's also dishwasher safe for convenient cleanup. However, the non-stick coating might wear out over time. The handle is not oven safe, and the aluminum material could potentially warp at high temperatures. Also, while dishwasher safe, this might shorten the pan's life, and the 9.5-inch size might be too small for some users. The bakelite handle could get hot under certain conditions, and it might not work with all types of induction cooktops. To maintain the pan's quality, sharp utensils should be avoided, and the long-term durability of the pan and the brand's reputation are not well established due to limited reviews.